Here's a video of Wusik Station and how to morph from two sounds. So I'm going to start with Wusik Station here. I have my initial sample player preset loaded. I just click it to load again. And I'm going to remove the sine waveform that I have loaded in here. And I'm going to click again, or I'm just going to rather use the browser here on the left. And I'm going to use the AOS analog voice. Let me play something. And now I want to load another sound. So there are two ways to do that. Next sound to new layer. So now I have two layers. You can see here on the bottom two layers. Or if I click here, I can see the two layers. Now I can select here fade on the morph. And that's pretty much it. I can right click here and select learn new MIDI controller. I'm going to use my mod wheel. And let's take a look at the other guys here at the bottom. So round robin, no. Layer stitch, no. Modulate wheel to layer selection, no, I don't want to use that. And key velocity to sample start, nah, I don't use that either. I want to use an LFO, so I'm going to go to the modulation. I have my LFO here. I'm going to add a new modulation matrix. So I'm going to use the LFO output to my layer 1 and on the sample player wave selector. And I'm going to use absolute, so it's always a positive output. So that's a very easy way to morph from one sound to another. And I can also morph from multiple sounds. So let's load the next sound to new layer. So it's going from all the three sounds, but I want to change this third sound here. Layer 3 is the delta square. I'm going to use the M1 pads or VS voices. And I can even change the transpose here, transpose 0. And I'm going to transpose 12 notes up. And I can also adjust the fine tuning. A bit flat. And I'm going to go to the layer number 2 and also adjust the fine tuning. Also a bit flat or sharp, I don't know, I always get confused. And I can also adjust for each layer. I just select which layer I want. Just stop playing the keyboard because when you play the keyboard, it's going to auto select the layer. So I'm going to go to layer 2 and I can also adjust the volume here if I want it a bit lower. And there's some extra options here if I want to use, but I don't use any of these options right now. Going to load another sound next to new layer. So I create a new layer. This layer is going to be the acoustic guitar, which is not going to sound very good for this. I want to use the Korg 700 chorus. And I'm going to transpose it 7 notes. And I'm going to make the LFO a bit slower. I can also play around with the type of LFO waveform and also sync it to the key to the keys. So each key is going to sync. And I can also sync to the tempo. This is actually a bit close to what wave sequencing does, but it's just easier to do like this. Let's add a bit of chorus. So I'm going to go to the FX master, insert effects, chorus. No, double chorus. And a bit of delay, new effect. There's their delay. And I'm going to use the ADSR mode of the envelope. Well, that's it for this video. Just something simple, but you get the idea. If you have any other videos that you want, you can just let me know about what you want to learn, and I'm going to try to make some more videos showing just basic stuff. So, thanks for watching.